Is the thought of losing your WhatsApp chats stressing you out? Don't worry. You can easily restore them if they get deleted by accident. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to restore WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to back up your chats for this. Open WhatsApp, tap the three-line icon at the top right corner. Tap Settings. Now find Chats and tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Chat Backup. Now set up the Chat Google account by tapping on it and select your Google account. This will connect WhatsApp to your Google Drive and back your chats over there. Make sure to give both WhatsApp and Google Drive the necessary permissions for this. After that, set a frequency. This is basically the time gap between auto chats backup by WhatsApp. If you truly want to keep your chats safe, set it to daily or weekly. This will ensure that no data ever gets lost. After that, you can also select backup using cellular if you use mobile data. After all this is done, simply tap on backup. Now WhatsApp will start backing up your chats. This might take a bit of time. After this is done, get out of WhatsApp and uninstall it. After it's uninstalled, go to the Play Store, search WhatsApp, then install it. After installing it, log in to WhatsApp with your credentials. Eventually, WhatsApp will find backups for your chats and tell you to restore it. Simply tap on Restore from there and let the restoration process end. Then hit Next and complete up the profile setup. After that, you will see that even after reinstalling, all your chats are safe and sound. You can also get inside of them to check if they're alright or not. And that's how you restore WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.